Hey guys, so this could actually be some real images of the next generation iPhone, and this is coming from a website here being called 86Digi, which seems to be a website, a digital information sharing blog from China, which sounds pretty legit. So basically this is from what they're saying here, this could be the real machine model, and their insider is telling them that this is 100% of the structure of the iPhone 6. So what is it pointing to? Well, if you start here to take a look at the pictures, we can see bigger display, so 4.7-inch display. We've heard that many times. Touch ID sensor probably that we can see down there at the bottom. And finally, I mean, as I said, they're bigger iPhone. And I mean, if they are 100% true, if that feels pretty safe, you know. So you can see it here, probably on these machine models. It doesn't, you know, it probably doesn't is a fully working device, but it probably is just the structure on how it's going to be. So this one seems to be in some kind of plastic material or something, but it seems like it will be in aluminum. So the first one that they are stating here is this 4.7-inch display that I mean, they're gonna upgrade it. They're doing these things every 2 years or so. The iPhone 3G and the 3GS kind of look the same, and then we got the iPhone 5 and the 5S that look the same size, and now they are looking to do something new and fresh. And the thickness of the stating here is only 6 millimeters, which sounds pretty insane, pretty cool, almost like an iPod Touch design here, which I definitely do enjoy a ton. I would also love to see a new iPod Touch. I really need a new iPod Touch. But yeah, I mean, if it's only going to be 6 millimeters, that's going to be extremely nice. And then they're stating here back metal 3-stage design, which definitely sounds pretty cool and pretty epic. You can see here that it doesn't have two of these flash or LEDs that the iPhone 5S has, but maybe they built it into one, and maybe it's just a little bit of a mock-up, but it looks pretty sexy when it's bigger like this, and I can't wait to see what more like kind of like cool things that is going to come out. And then we also have some other things here, like the side that the power button is going to be now on the right side. This would be a very clever move. They wouldn't do the same mistake as HTC is doing when they put the power button on the top side when they're increasing the size. So it seems like volume up and down key is going to be below, and then a little bit higher up we're going to see a power on button, which seems to be pretty legit, and nothing at the top of the phone. So headphone jack should be at the bottom of the phone, which is also the favorite place for me personally to get it. So it looks pretty legit, and also the speaker there looks pretty nice. Still Touch ID there, and on the left side a headphone jack. So can't wait to see more information about this, and we're probably not going to see this until like September or something. I don't think we're going to see an iPhone launch this summer, but it definitely looks pretty nice. And what do you think about these pictures? Do you enjoy it? And yeah, this mock-up may not be that cool. I mean, this real machine, they're saying it's 100% true, so hopefully this is a pretty good source. And I also think that Nowhere Else had a little video with it, so you can definitely also go check that out if you want. So yeah, just a quick little video here. Hopefully you enjoy. Have a great day.